Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log out of Australian Super account. So to log out of Australian Super account, the process is quite easy, so let's jump into the video right away. First of all, open a preferred web browser and then go to the URL box at the top and type in australiansuper.com and press enter on your keyboard. If you are already logged into your Australian Super account and you'd like to log out of it, then the process is quite straightforward. From the main homepage of Australian Super, go to the top of the screen and click on the logout option. But remember that you will need to log in using your credentials again if you ever want to log in back to your account. Simply click the logout button at the top and this will then redirect you to the login portal for Australian Super. That's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.